Welcome to 20 Car. Imagine a rolling fortress with a blend of elegance and power. That's the 2025 Ford Expedition concept. This mammoth SUV flaunts a bold front fascia with a chrome honeycomb grille that seems to breathe authority. Sleek matrix LED headlights wrap around its chiseled edges, giving it a futuristic stare. Its aerodynamic silhouette, accentuated by sculpted lines and a panoramic glass roof, whispers luxury while screaming dominance on the road. The interior is like stepping into the command center of a starship. The dashboard features a seamless 18-inch infotainment screen that connects with a fully digital driver's display. Voice-activated controls, wireless connectivity, and an augmented reality navigation system make every journey feel like a tech-savvy adventure. The cabin offers seating for 8 with memory foam leather seats, customizable ambient lighting, and a whisper-quiet ride, thanks to active noise cancellation. Under the hood lies a twin-turbo hybrid V6 paired with a 150 kWh battery, delivering a combined 600 horsepower. Despite its size, the Expedition sprints from 0 to 100 km height in just 5.4 seconds. Rivals like the Chevy Suburban and Toyota Sequoia pale in comparison when it comes to tech and performance. Priced at $85,000, the Expedition concept is a premium investment. Maintenance costs are moderate due to its hybrid engine, while insurance rates reflect its luxury status. Depreciation? Low. This is a future classic in the making. Driving the Expedition feels like piloting a ship through the clouds. Its adaptive suspension smooths out bumps, but its sheer size can feel intimidating in tight spots. The advantages? Style, power, and tech. The disadvantages? A steep price tag and hefty parking challenges.